Welcome. If you want to turn off mirror effect of your selfie camera in HTC Desire 12 Plus, at first you have to open camera, next switch to your selfie camera, and right now let's take a photo. And as you can see, our photo looks right in the preview, right? But if you have the problem that you are taking photo, wait a minute, you take a photo, and after that you checking in and it looks not like the same, right? Not the same like in the preview. So you have to just simply turn off the mirror effect by enter the settings and going right here. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.